Welcome back to Simply Food channel. Today we will show you how to make traditional Czech bread rolls. Ingredients are on the screen and also below this video. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, yeast, sugar, salt, caraway seeds, vinegar and warm water. Start mixing slowly so the flour doesn't fly everywhere. Then keep going until the dough comes together. The more you mix, the smoother and more elastic it will get. If it sticks too much to your hands, sprinkle in just a little more flour, but don't add too much, because a softer dough will give you lighter rolls with a fluffy center. You can knead the dough by hand, which takes a little longer but really builds the structure. Or you can use a stand mixer if you have one. Once the dough feels nice and smooth and only slightly sticky, cover the bowl with a clean towel and place it somewhere warm. Let it rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in size and is ready to be shaped into rolls. Transfer the dough to a clean counter or board. Shape it into a single smooth ball. This makes it easier to cut evenly. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Take each piece and roll it gently between your hands or on the counter until it forms a smooth round roll. Try to tuck the seams underneath so the rolls stay intact while baking. You can lightly dust your hands or the counter with flour if the dough sticks, but don't overdo it. Too much flour can make the rolls dry. Arrange the rolls evenly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a baking mat, leaving a little space between them so they can expand nicely in the oven. Take a moment to shape them neatly. It really helps them look professional when baked. Using a sharp knife or a razor blade, make 2 gentle diagonal cuts on top of each roll, just shallow cuts, enough for steam to escape. This also gives the rolls their classic bakery look. In a cup or a small measuring glass, mix water, vinegar and salt until the salt dissolves completely. Take a brush and spread this mixture evenly over each roll, making sure to cover the tops and sides. You will notice the rolls glisten as the liquids soak in slightly. This helps give them a beautiful golden crust. Then sprinkle slightly with Kosher salt and a few caraway seeds for the classic flavor and crunch. Don't overdo the salt. A little goes a long way. You can also tilt the rolls slightly to catch any excess mixture that pulls around them, making sure every part is lightly coated. Keep the remaining mixture aside, because we will be brushing the rolls again during baking. This extra brushing gives them a lovely shiny finish, helps the crust crisp up and enhance the aroma, so don't skip it. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees of Fahrenheit or 190 degrees of Celsius. While it heats, cover the rolls loosely with a clean towel and let them rise for about 15 minutes. Place the rolls in the preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, carefully take the tray out and brush the rolls with the remaining vinegar-salt mixture. This not only adds extra flavor, but also helps create a shiny golden crust. Make sure to brush evenly over the tops and sides. And don't forget to watch how the rolls expand slightly as they bake. They puff up beautifully. Set 2 timers to stay on track, one for the total bake time of 30 minutes and another for every 10 minutes for brushing. As they bake, the aroma of fresh bread rolls will fill your kitchen. It's a smell that makes waiting worth it. Keep an eye on them in the final minutes. The tops should be golden brown and firm to the touch, giving you that perfect bakery finish at home. When the rolls are done baking, carefully transfer them onto a cooling rack so air can circulate underneath. This prevents the bottoms from getting soggy and helps the crust stay crisp. We are using an old oven rack here, it works just as well. Let the rolls cool for a few minutes before touching them, so they hold their shape. You can already admire the golden tops and smell that amazing fresh baked aroma. It's one of the best parts of making these Czech rolls. These Czech bread rolls are soft all the way through, inside and out, with a subtle flavor that's perfectly balanced. You won't really notice the vinegar. They are delicious on their own or with your favorite spread. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like, comment, share and follow for more recipes. Thanks for watching.